You're someone who wants to stay energetic, youthful, and completely slow down the aging process. But you're struggling with fatigue, you're low energy, and a body that just doesn't recover like it used to. You might even have a few wrinkles. Maybe you're experiencing brain fog, dull skin. Are those some of your symptoms? Well, in today's video, I'm going to take you into a deep dive on NAD+, also known as NAD+, and the science of cellular aging. Welcome back to the Skin Diva channel, where we help women over 40 maintain glowing, youthful skin. I'm Nancy Reagan, and today we are diving deep into the science of cellular aging. And let's get started now. For starters, what is cellular aging? When we talk about cellular aging, we're talking about the breakdown of the actual cells and the cell function over time. So this is what happens when the cells start to deteriorate. And it's a slow process that you kind of don't see it until you wake up one day and they go, oh, yes, there's the signs of aging. Why does aging actually happen? Well, it can be a couple of things. It is definitely DNA damage. It's also what is called oxidative stress. And a big giant word, and I don't often use it, but mitochondrial failure and decline. So that word, mitochondrial, is part of the skin that actually you need it so that it functions and sends messages. So when it declines, that's when you're seeing the aging process happen. Also part of cellular aging is the longevity connection between how cellular aging actually impacts our energy, our cognition, how our brain's functioning, our skin, and our total overall health. Next, we want to talk about the role of NAD+, in cellular aging, and exactly what is it doing. Okay, this is the big what is NAD+, and I, myself, am not very good at pronouncing long science words, but it is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. And I shorten that always to NAD because with my Southern accent and everything else combined, it's a lot. This is a crucial molecule, though, for energy, and it provides cellular repair. When we're younger, we have an abundance of NAD+, and it definitely declines with age, and we lose up to 50% of our NAD levels by middle age. I don't know what you guys term middle age, but for middle age, if you're going to say it by 50, you've lost half of it. And you really kind of wonder why this matters. Well, if you're into longevity and skin health like I am, low NAD also causes increased inflammation. It reduces how the cells can actually repair themselves, and it means you're going to age faster. And we don't want that. So the other part of the actual role of NAD, it's called sirtuins and longevity. And NAD+ can activate the sirtuins in our body to help us stay younger, youthful, have more energy longer. Speaking of skincare, I've created a free guide that helps you understand labels and toxic ingredients and how they can affect your overall, not only skin health, but your overall health. You'll find the link in the description below, and it's packed with tips to make smart, healthier choices for your skin and for your body. Next, we want to talk about how to boost NAD+ and how to really slow the aging process. First and foremost is diet and nutrition. You want to eat B3-rich foods, and these are things like avocados, mushroom, fish. These are all B3-rich foods that give your skin a healthier glow. You can also supplement. You're going to supplement when you're looking at supplement. You're looking at what is called NR or NMN. One is called nicotinamide riboside, and the other one is called nicotinamide mononucleotide. Both of those help to push the NAD in our systems and helps to increase it in our bodies. And that's what you're actually looking for in making the longevity and feeling better and having more energy. The other parts of slowing down aging and boosting your NAD is looking at lifestyle strategies. Not only diet, but exercise really helps the NAD in your body. Not only are you going to feel better because you're getting out and moving, but the NAD in your body is going to be more supplemented in your own body because of the exercise. And lately, research has been done on intermittent fasting and calorie restriction as another way to boost NAD in the body. This is something that helps with cellular repair at the DNA level. Not only is diet and exercise really good for your NAD that's in your own body, but you knew I was going to get around to sleep eventually. Well, having sleep is the time when your body repairs itself. So when you're going to get 8 hours, 6 hours, whatever's good for your body needs that time in order to go through all of the repair processes. During that time, it's using NAD to help repair the cells. Another way to boost NAD and to boost the cellular aging is also now with different anti-aging treatments. And never before have we had such technology available, not only in skincare, but there's popular things like IVs also. So IV therapy and supplementation is very much out there. I encourage you to definitely find reputable people for looking at your IV therapy and also for supplementation. The supplementation, it's really key for NAD to absorb properly. And a lot of people are jumping on the bandwagon, just like marketing for skincare, marketing for vitamins is another. So you want to make sure that the NAD is being absorbed properly in your system and being rejuvenated. Other emerging anti-aging treatments are red light therapy for the mitochondrial health. Again, mitochondrial is the skin messengers, and red light therapy really helps to also repair the DNA. There's many popular brands out there. I encourage you, again, for research purposes. I'm super fond on a professional level of a brand called Soluma and another one called Lightstem. Both of those brands were on the forefront of red light therapy and are very precise in their delivery. You have to make sure that the wavelengths of the red light are enough to make a difference in your skin. Other emerging anti-aging treatments include the cutting research of NAD+ that is there, and also there's a lot going on with longevity science. And all of this goes without saying that in order to get the diet, the lifestyle, and everything to be tip-top performance, you also need to make sure that the toxins are removed from your health, from your diet, from your skincare. So you want to make sure that what you're doing for longevity, that your nutrition is as organic and healthy as possible. So you're looking at whole foods, and also that you're looking at non-toxic ingredients for your skincare. If you're ready to transform your skincare with non-toxic ingredients that actually help with the longevity of the skin because they truly work with NAD+, take a visit to the Skin Diva Labs website. Our line is specifically designed for women over 40 who really want to achieve radiant, healthy skin, also for cellular repair of the DNA, and without harmful toxic ingredients because it's created with no fragrance, it's vegan. Click the link below and let's get started on your glow journey. Which reminds me, hey, next video that's coming up, you got to take a peek at this, because this is where I really dive into more of what is NAD+, how it impacts your longevity, and the best ways that you can boost it. Click on the video now that's on the screen, and I'll see you there.